parang very, parang insulting it. So, ban him. So, that's a form of cyberbullying.
Cyberbullying.
So, if you cyberbullied someone, na someone who is sharing about bullying, totally banned.
So, I've heard of it sa mga vlogs na it means that when you cosplay, may psychological siya na effect sa isa katao nga they can't accept where they really are. That's why they are portraying characters from anime. So, what do you say about this, sir?
Actually, ako cosplayer man ako. Usually, I think depende man sa cosplay. There are some just for hobbies, but there are some may struggles sa self nila na they're afraid of the crowds. So parang this one gives them a venue to be someone, to play someone who is confident. So, may mo siya parang while playing it, nag-build sa sarili.
Booster.
Nag-boost mo sa sarili. So, it's a good thing, man. So, nothing wrong to cosplays.
Yes, sir.
Hindi ka naka-encourage ko sa mga very shy people with very low esteem, mga people with wala sila confidence.
So, for our next photo, yes, isa narin.
Is pretty. Isang sa Leon.
Sa Leon.
Ito si Leon, sir.
He looks good daw, sir.
Yeah. So I asked him a question. I asked him, what is your greatest fear? Sa timing man, sa photo niya, i-share na may aswang pelikula sa Leon. Na there's a creature daw parang it eats their animals, or even yung boat ko na sa relatives. So makita na when you're in the province, makita mo naman yung culture sa Iloilo. Kaya sa di ba, sa Cubadidad, di ba, super business tao, people forget na sa mga culture, sa mga nauna. So parang kung pala makita na daw, wow, it still exists pa rin.
Yeah, ang culture it's still alive, ang culture sa Ilocos.
Yes.
Kapati sa mga aswang, and
whether you're believer na, it's, entertaining siya.
Yeah. Okay, kasi sometimes they draw some mga comics about aswangs and even movies. Okay. So for our next picture,
I took this photo
that's
to Sandy Lotion a few weeks ago.
Yes.
Actually, there's no stories here, pero doon sila starstruck sila sa amin. It's their first time to see.
Of course, sa barangay. So, isa lang sila mga kita sa camera.
So when they took their photos, wala sila move with them.
More than because you feel like, syempre, may camera, you feel like, stuck ka.
So, express na yung
So, may project mo na sila?
Wala.
Ito yung project na gagawin nila. Ito, di ba, kung sa mga una, like, kung may kamera doon, yung posting na yun, sometimes naman ako, may manitindi sa photo ng aragay sila.
Yung eyes nila yung eyes of
The innocent, yung sa pagkagad sila. And very young, and
doon mo remember mo yung parang mga ang vintage photo na siya. Yeah.
So, sir, kahit yung paghawak niya sa sanga,
Yes.
okay, sir, that's very,
so, our next photo. Yeah. Is this on the past target, sir? Or
I think near Central Market, I think.
Central Market?
Central Market, yeah.
So,
took her photo, nabag dito sa pala na Mapabak mo, nawala. So, kita ko yung post ay, baka magigdali ako. So, wala yung story niya. Tapos, kinatagan ako sa parang 20 pesos. Sabi, ay, Lola, pass din na. Kaya yan mo, namin picture ko. Pagkatay mo. Kasi ako makita pala na go parang to talk with people na even sa market lang.
Expect na there's of course there's perspectives sa kaya so syempre she still feels beautiful siya kay kahit mas may she's old nga di ba nila beauty is in the eye of the beholder.
She's still very beautiful.
Yeah, not just outside but also inside.
Smart niya.
Sa heart. And for our next photo,
ito muli siya isa sa mga first ever photo ko sa Humans Home Iloilo. Muli siyang first ever. So, may mga gold din siya kay...
sa poster road din siya sir? Kaya yeah. Basta tumakas?
Sa baka to, airport, gold airport.
Baka to airport.
Yeah, yung gold airport. Yeah. I asked him kung din yung father niya. Bali sa sa Bacolod ko sa...
So, lang siya sa nagabaligya?
Sa actually, he was with his mga friends naman. And then, he said, yung father niya, pamangkiraan na sila into uling businessman yung father niya. So, siya naman sa mga crowd, so nabaligan yung father niya. And then I asked him, what is his name? He said, funny ka din harap sa place Richmond. So it was the place where, di ba, yung Richmond Hotel.
Richmond Hotel. So how much sir nagbakal kawan sa mga
wala, gusto ko talagang bakal.
medyo pagising siya kaysa gilid lang siya daan.
Yeah.
So, for our next photo,
pangalan niya si Langgay G.
Yeah.
I-call himself Langgay G. So, they have this different kind of religion. Na yung religion is religion of love.
Religion of love. So, it exists in this Iloilo? Oh my. Hindi na siya dapat.
Actually, hindi man siya na... I don't know if it's organized, pero it's a community. More like, it's a community siya But there's no face man na ginakatawa sila. Kung parang sa lifestyle pa lang. Parang it's more than religion, it's a lifestyle pa lang.
Okay. Sir, so among your works, which one is your favorite?
Siguro favorite ko, I don't know if it's one. Ang mga certainly, pero...
Wala akong kita. May kaya
siguro pinaka-favorite ko siguro that's, you have seen that woman, it was the presentation. So, gamit siya pala na black and white. So, yun pag-interview ko siya, she told me na ang frustration siya pala sa mga kabataan Subong na parang mga focus so much na about texting, about internet, about selfie, and everything because that does not exist before. So parang wisdom parang nakapag siya pala.
So it's for the new generation.
New generation, yeah.
So sir, of course, our guides, makakastok at sir. So, bago sa tuwa ka bagay, then you will just choose one. For example, black or white. Then you will choose kung what you prefer. Yes, sure. Canon or Nikon? Canon or Nikon?
Of course, Canon.
Sir, fast di ba answer? Okay. Black and white or color?
Black and white.
Raw or shapen?
Raw.
Macro lens or wide lens?
White lens.
Street or wedding?
Street.
Photoshop or Lightroom?
Lightroom.
High key or low key? Portraits or landscapes?
Portraits.
Live view or viewfinder?
Pwede both.
This one, sir. This one.
Kaya ako usually viewfinder.
Viewfinder. So photo alone or videos?
Photo ako.
Food photography or glamour photography?
What is that one?
Food photography or glamour photography? Glamour.
Food photography.
Natural light or studio light?
Natural light.
Okay, so thank you very much, sir. And to our viewers, I hope you learned a lot in our discussion with Mr. Mario and Roberto. And sir, do you have, sir, plans or you want to advertise something for the humans of Iloilo, sir?
Sure. Kaya yung Liwas of Galino, this coming June, ano siya, 1 year na siya. So, watch out for our announcement for a 1 week celebration of Humans of Ilo. So, possible,
It's already 1 year sa June.
sa June, so possible, yung mga activities like may exhibit, may talk, and then there's a photo contest.
So please invite our viewers as well na punti in ang event sa Humans of Iloilo.
Wala, inaano pa lang siya, inaplanuhan pa lang.
Like for donation, sir, if you want to donate.
Yes, siguro ano lang, because we have this Humans of Ilo t-shirt, so is where I can get my eggs for the funding sa anniversary. So please buy the t-shirts. It's only $4.70. So you can check it out sa www.humansofililo.com.
And of course, just visit Humans of Iloilo. Shirt our last Humans of Iloilo to order shirts. So thank you very much, sir, for your interviews. And of course, we wanted to express our gratitude to our sponsor, the GSO, the College of Music, Miss Tiffany Marie Sones, Mr. William Anthony Borza, Attorney Juan Vincent Aranyo, Mr. Robert Aranyo, Will Reynolds Photography, Zoe Photography, Communications with Council, Outfits of Panambring, Humans of Iloilo, the Instagram users and the weekend dancer, DJ RJ, Mr. Paul John Animas, and Mr. Rinaldo Adolfo. So,
Thank you so much, sir, for being here with us, and I hope that we will see you again if ever that we'll go pursue mga photography skills like
so if you want to see the work of Mr. Carlo Rivera Vidente, just like the page of Humans of Iloilo in Facebook, and you can add Mr. Carlo, what's your Facebook page, sir?
Carlo Gabriel, Evidente.
So Carlo Gabriel Evidente, Gabriel spells Gabriel, Evidente, Evidente. So thank you very much, sir.
And for our next features, let us meet two Instagram users who uses their mobile phones to capture moments in artistic ways. So let us watch this.
So here we have Miss Mary Sumas and Miss Hazel Bananas, one of the Instagram users that we will feature for today. And of course, if you want the Instagram, so
follow me too.
Okay, girls. So when did you start using Instagram?
I started using Instagram about a year ago because my classmates told me that it would be fun. So I started using it.
Bea?
I started using when I entered college.
So what were your first photos? Is it like almost selfie? From selfie to now filtered photos of your Instagram. So what kind of photography do you use? You use minimalist, okay, di ba? Sa Instagram now, halos minimalist view ang ginagamit. So what were your first style in taking pictures? Is it puro selfie siya, Nay, or what?
Before, puro selfie. Puro selfie man, sa luya kay blurred yung taga.
Low quality pa.
No quality, sa mga edits, wala puro pa-frame, cheche.
So guys, I'm just curious. How many followers do you have right now?
Now, I have 2.5K.
Wow. How about you?
1,168.
That's a lot. Ako siguro, 600. 600 lang.
I only got 300.
Sige, half. So, when and why did your popularity start to pick up with Instagram? Okay, of course, diba, damo na mong followers. So, what do you think is the reason na nagdamo yung followers? Is it because of your style? Is it because of your feed? Or about your advocacy sa
Siguro ako nagdama ako followers because as you can see, ang pag na Instagram, it's very neat and clean. Very OC when it comes to my pictures and my feed. So, ako nagdawa kung may comments, namiyan sila ko no, kay very limpyo-limpyo ito na ako.
So, if you want to check Miss Beatrice Tupa's Instagram account, please follow BTRC Tupas. Tupas spells it Tupas. So, sa ating mga viewers, please visit your Instagram account so you can be inspired sa ilang mga feed. So, how about Jason? Same question.
Siya ko lang ako ng follow, pagsugod ko reconstruct sa feed na nag-clean na siya. And I show a part of myself sa Instagram. It's like my diary. That's why, pati gusto nila know or curious na sila sa kung ano nakatabo sa day ko, they can show ko na sa Instagram. Kung ano gina-eat ko for that day or kung ano may bakal ko, kung ano tsura ko for the day.
So it's like, for you, it's a diary, ang Instagram. So ano ang editor na ginagamit nyo to make your photos lively, of course, kay, like, di ba, the VSC Osubong, trending editor, like, you really buy presets kung sa mga effects, kaya ginabakala siya, the reviewers, ginabakala ang presets, di ba? So, do you use VSCO?
I use VSCO at Afterlife, pero wala ko na buy. Ang free lang ginagamit ko.
How about you, Bea?
Ako BSCO and Afterlife man.
So, do you think kailangan yung maging good photographers in order to be engaged in Instagram? Like, magkuha kong photos, kailangan yung every angle.
Siguro hindi magiging nga very good din. Pero kinaklan mo na may passion ka sa Instagram pala nga, for example, kung may pictures ka na makita, like, kung pala mo mga caption na sa same mga followers pala, like, post mo and find the perfect angle and of course, perfect caption.
Yeah, it's always a caption, diba? Ano ang ginagamit nyo nga tools, like, do you use, kaya ako personally, I use my DSLR camera and I capture it on my phone and I post it on Instagram. So, sa inyo, ano ang ginagamit nyo nga tools? Like, do you use your phones or what kind of Samsung, iPhones, ano nga tools ang ma-recommend nyo na easy to use for our viewers sa Instagram?
I only use my iPhone lang yung personally.
iPhone, very rich. Ano iPhone 6 or iPhone 5S? Yes.
Pero, kasi I don't have the money to buy naman DSLR. It depends naman sa inyo kung anong inyo naanagan. Pero for me, mas hapos na kung smartphone ang ganito because it's handy.
Yeah, it's portable.
It's portable.
How about Bea?
Same, iPhone 5S, so I can bring it anywhere.
So, yeah, syempre, if we use iPhone, very light lang siya and maski diin lang, di ba, maski impromptu lang, may mga scenes ka mo makita ang picture na dahil. Of course, iPhone has, wala ko sa ka-advertise, syempre tawag siya na apps na makabuligate for your Instagram. Pero ang iPhone, supposed to pro Instagram sila, di ba? Instagram friendly gid ang iPhone. So, what do you think people like about your photos?
My pictures, it's very white and very clean because it's all about nature. So I guess I show ang pictures ko, capture ko siya sa heart sa ibang tao.
I think because it's bright and colorful, kay bright and colorful ang feed ko, that shows my personality too. Kaya ang magagawin namin sila. So do you think, guys, that every photo needs to tell a story? In your opinion? That every photo na may goals sila na gusto nilang ipahatid sa mga viewers ninyo sa Instagram? Yes, I think so. Every picture, this na pa simple, may story. Get this kan blank lang na i-show mo, may story na siya. This sa caption lang mismo yan. What about you, May?
So our next question, what do you think people look for an Instagram photo? So, di ba, sa mga trends, so, what do you think people look for an Instagram photo? Like, ano din pala ang makaget sa likes, sa mga attention ng mga tao?
Siguro ang mga places na wala na panakatuan sa iban. Kaya ang food, delicious food.
Yeah, food. Yeah, I get that.
First to answer yan, na ang places, ang food, na something new, na may example lang, sila ka-try or na-try mo na, at least makita nila sa picture mo, that kung ibugang ang binanami, may idea sila kung mag-try mo nila kung Instagram. What about hashtags in your captions? Do you think na nag-help sila na ma-influence sa mga followers or likes in your images?
I only use VSEO hashtag. So I guess, damo-damo magkaan VSEO users. So, ang mga likes sa pictures ko, ang mga magagamit pa sa VSEO.
Ang hashtags ko, ang place lang mismo na kumiin ko, or ang food na ginain.
So, of course, diba, hashtag can help us na mag-promote pagit sa aton na captions. Kaya, example, hashtag Iloilo. It means nga, makita sa tanan nga gusto mag-search ang Iloilo ang imong mga photo. So, it can really help you to boost your likes, I think. And of course, hindi lang siguro ang puro damo-damo nga. Kaya sumong vacancy users nga like, taga na lang ginaubang nila hashtag like, hashtag red lipstick, hashtag white shirt, hashtag so init, no, mga muna. So I think, i-ano yun natin, i-limit yun natin ang atong hashtag nga, hindi ta magwa nga no judgment kita, di ba? So, hashtag ang ginabunang natin.
What about you, Word? What are your hashtags?
I don't use hashtag, maybe sometimes na, it's not necessary na add sa ako ng hashtag as long as ara ang caption ko and it can describe my photo. How about you?
Same. Sa mga gawag ka hashtag. Depends.
So, kay sa damo sa mga vloggers nga mga kilala yun like Corinne Oy, nga mga vloggers nga female, kag nag-start man na sila sa Instagram sa pag-feature sa ilang mga clothes and accessories. So, may mga plans ka mo nga to put up a vlog about yourself and to be a vlogger like them. Kaya, subong daw uso na gitabi ang maging vlogger, like example, fashion vlogger, travel vlog. Kaya, even though it's a freelance work, di ba? Ang mga local na products, ginapa-advertise nila sa mga vlogs nyo. So, do you have plans na sudlo ng muna?
Ako, I'm planning to make my own photography vlog. after this time when I'm no longer busy. Okay? I want the people to show how beautiful the world is through my pictures. Ganyan.
And of course, promote Carles, di ba?
Yeah, promote Carles.
Na,
It's like that.
so, of course, our viewers, visit Carles. So, pwede mo hatagan sila sa route para magkata dito, like, from the airport. Or syempre, promote ang hometown, di ba?
Actually, we are on Facebook. At Carles, I'm just search Isla Gigantes. Tapos just find it, ang person na makontact niyo.
So, Hazel,
If I have enough resources na kung may money na ko, kaya di ba, do gamble na ako mag-vlog ka, kaya imo money ang gina-use, unless kung like, sikat ka na, sila ma-sponsor. Pero if I have the resources, probably I would.
So may gina-follow ba naman ng mga like celebrities? So what accounts are your favorites?
My favorite account is kay Kimi Juan. Then she's putting inspiration. Okay, she loves nature, trees, and seas, just like me. So nobody yun, kami isang gusto nga i-feature sa isang picture.
Ako kay Crazy Oy, kay Lorene Oy, kay Brightman, kay Colorful, ang love it.
of course, diba, you are in with fashion, like, I like your ring. Dito sa now, very dressed up again, so, more ka diba on fashion and things and jewelries.
No, not really. Food with.
Sa food din. So like, ano mga favorite nyo mga katuan na food, na may restaurants or like coffee shops for your Instagram na like, ikaw, kato ka sa coffee shops.
I love coffee and adventure. So,
Ano ang paborito mo nga place, or certain place, like,
match.
match. Pang Instagram ang match, kaya sa vintage looks ang match. Ang match is located at La Paz Market. So if you want to have a native coffee na makapabugtagin sa inyo, you can go there. So, is that?
Kama Cafe.
Kama Cafe sa John P. Lacson, di ba? Sa Villa, sa Molo, John B. Molo, in front of John B. Molo. So, anong ma-recommend nyo nga places for nga damo ka mapicturean nga Instagram-worthy nga photos?
Ako siguro, Leon, Municipality of Leon and Municipality of Carlos. Yes, Bocado. Those super, super risky yung pagkado, no? Pero worth it man. Kaya namin siya yan.
Yes, really.
You've been there.
I've been there. What about
Market. Ang market pa. Kaya damo ko makita ng color. Example, gusto sa bananas lang, sa calamansi, makita mo na beauty.
Okay. So did you ever join an Instagram projects like TBT or weekend hashtags?
Before, I did.
Ano paborito mo, like outfit of the day, OT?
OOT.
Ikaw mo na,
No.
like ano,
TBT usually ka way back Wednesday.
Okay, Bakansi. How about you, Babe?
Well, mag-use ang PBT. Kaya syempre, ang akong feed,
Filter.
Kaya I don't post pictures of myself gadaan sa Instagram.
So, you filter everything sa Instagram.
Ka-arrange na siya dahil. Wala na ako mag-post ako ni na day.
So now do you have any message or advice to Instagram users who really wanted to make their feed beautiful like yours?
Keep it clean and simple. Do not use a lot of apps. Kaya maging dirty siya tulungan. Hindi na magdamo overlays. As kung possible man lang, adjustments lang. Brightness, contrast, saturation. Hindi lang damo na filter.
Just use one filter and dapat para sa akin, may theme mo Instagram para hindi ka siya samot-samot.
So dapat may theme, kaya hindi masyado damo filter.
Just use one filter for all of your pics.
So, do you use minimalist view, right?
Ako before, pero siguro mag-change ko kayo sa dark colors.
So thank you very much, Ace,
Thank you.
Bea, for your time. And I hope our aspiring Instagram user will learn a lot from our talk for today. So to entertain us for a little while, let us welcome the Rika Dancers. So thank you, Rika Dancers. That was a very good show. Yeah. So I hope we inspired you in our show for today. So Pam, what was your favorite part in our show for today?
My favorite part was when Sir Claudio showed us some photographs that he took, and I really enjoyed also pinakita din nila Bea yung mga, nag-give sila ng advice on how to use Instagram properly.
Yeah, and of course, my favorite part is advocacy ni Sir Carlo na tagal kita sa humans, pantay-pantay kita. So I hope na we will always make all the advocacy. And please visit Humans of Iloilo page sa Facebook to know more
so we can treasure those moments that is very important.
Yes, and of course, I think one of the reasons that they were successful sa ilang field as photographer is like, they bring passion into what they are doing. They really love photography, and so am I. So I think in everything you do, love everything you do, so you'll be successful in the near future. So of course, before anything else, we want to thank our sponsors, the GSO, the College of Nursing, the Miss Tiffany Marie Soles, Mr. Virgil Anthony Borza, Attorney Robinson Areño, Mr. Robert Areño, Bernamis Photography, Joy Photography, Communications Twin Council, our outlets, Humans, Humans.
Yes,
Quezon City EDU,
Ripples by Jen.
Mamazuela, and of Humans of Iloilo, please visit their page. And for our introducers, Miss Beatrice Dupas and Miss Krishna Bayaras and Derrick Lancer, DJ RJ, Mr. Paul Chan Animas, and Mr. Ronello Abdul. So, thank you very much. So, we want to acknowledge our team leader, Miss Ravi Sancho, Miss Maribel. Thank you for the unending support.
Our director, Mr. Haspe.
Our line director, Miss Sanchez and Mr. Colocar.
Our floor director, Ms. Montevilla and Ms. Equidulo.
Our technical director, Miss Mendes and Miss Taki Franca.
Thank you so much.
And for our nominations, of course, Miss Rodrigo and Miss Bolgrapa. And for the production assistants, Mr. Reclino and Fortune. And for our voiceovers, Miss Barras.
Okay, so once again, this is the Better Talk.
The Better Talk, the newest talk show in the web, where we give you tips, pieces of advice, and guides in your everyday living.
Where people get a chance to explore different places and topics by just watching their computers at home. Better Talk, we inform, entertain, and empower people. The Better Talk, your guide to the modern world.
Good day, everyone. Please follow me on Instagram, PURNBR.
And now,